Superlow jack NORDBERG H32032 with a minimum height of 75 mm and a maximum of 500 mm. The load capacity is 3 tons. There is a quick lift pedal that will accelerate the ascent itself. The model is made of high-quality steel and has a powder coating that is resistant to corrosion throughout its service life. The support cup has a toothed surface, which allows it to be well fixed in the reference point of the car without the risk of slipping. The jack model has a wear-resistant mechanism of lowering through the gimbal. There is an overload protection valve. Rigid construction and high-quality hinge bolts contribute to the stability of the jack to loads. A comfortable ergonomical handle with a rubberized work surface. 2-rod mechanism for rapid lifting. In one movement of the handle, twice as much liquid is pumped, which accelerates the lifting of the load. The wheels and guide rollers of the jack with pedal are made of high-quality wear-resistant material, therefore, they retain their original shape for easy movement throughout their service life.